guys, I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan Food, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this vegan tiramisu overnight oats. This is so delicious. It makes the perfect breakfast and it tastes like tiramisu. Alright, so this recipe I'm going to be showing you here makes enough for 2 cups of overnight oats, so 2 full servings. So we're going to get started with all the ingredients for 2. So we've got 2 shots of espresso, we've got 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, we've got 2/3 cup of plant milk, now that's the espresso that I'm using, 1 cup of rolled oats, we've got a pinch of salt, we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then the layers that we're going to be putting into them are actually vegan yogurt, so tablespoon by tablespoon, it's about half a cup total. That's the one I'm using. It's super delicious if you can get the vanilla flavor. It's a little sweeter. Now I'm brewing up my fresh espresso. Yum! So excited about this. It's really the star of the show and it's so delicious. So we just get a container that we can put this in overnight. Because I need to layer it, I'm just going to do this Pyrex container that I have. It's just a glass storage container. I'm going to start mixing all my ingredients together. What I love about overnight oats is that they're so fast and easy to make, and I'm making 2 days worth ahead of time, so I'm going to have 2 morning breakfasts, which is amazing. So you don't have to mix your dry ingredients in together before you do this. You do want your espresso to cool a little bit before you add it in so that you're not cooking the oats ahead of time. Also, instant oats are going to be a little bit mushier than rolled oats. That's why I recommend rolled oats, but you can totally use instant oats. It's just a little bit of a different texture, but the flavor is still going to be absolutely amazing. So I'm going to start adding in my espresso. Look how perfect that espresso is. It's really hard not to drink it. I'm going to add that right in, and I'm going to need that in the morning, so I'm going to put that right in. Now we're just going to mix all of the ingredients together. So just like that, it comes together and you can just place that in your fridge overnight. You only have 4 hours. It's ready in 4 hours. So it's pretty good, but you can totally leave it for 8, 12 hours, however long. And I'm just going to throw that in the fridge overnight. Now it's time to assemble. So I'm going to layer this up. So maybe about a heaping tablespoon or so per layer. So I'm going to first put the overnight oat mixture. Then I'm going to put in my yogurt. You can use just plain vegan yogurt if you want. It doesn't have to be vanilla, but I think the vanilla one's a little sweeter, so it gives it a little bit more of a desserty flavor, which is amazing. Now I used maple syrup in this to be healthy, but honestly I think brown sugar would be so good in this. So you can totally substitute that out if you like. I'm just going to keep layering my overnight oat mixture with my vegan yogurt until I have perfectly filled up the cup and used all of my overnight batter between the 2 cups here. So I'm just using a classic highball glass to serve this, but you can do it in a mason jar or a stemless wine glass or whatever you have on hand. So I'm just going to kind of start smoothing on that final delicious creamy layer of vegan yogurt. Ooh, that is starting to look so good. And another one of the secrets of making tiramisu is topping it with some cacao powder. So I'm going to just serve that with a dusting. I mean, I like quite a bit. It's up to you if you just want a little sprinkle like that, or if you want a lot like me. I like to put a lot on. I think that tastes better. It gives a lot of good flavor. And then if you have chocolate covered espresso beans, like that would be amazing on top. I just had a couple regular espresso beans here just for a little garnish, but that part is optional. And look at that. Like, can you believe this is a healthy breakfast? Wow, I'm so excited to eat this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how I make my overnight oats taste like tiramisu. If you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.